The world of entertainment is exploding. Stories waiting to be told and experiences waiting to be shared. But how do you connect to the right partners to bring your vision to life? Introducing Waves Bazaar, the ultimate business collaboration hub for media and entertainment, connecting you to a global network of opportunities. Are you a creator with something extraordinary to offer? Waves Bazaar is your gateway to buyers and distributors. Are you a buyer searching for high-quality content? Find the best creativity and talent here. The Film Marketplace offers an interactive platform to creators to bring their films, while producers, distributors, and platforms find the stories that audiences will love. Game developers showcase their innovations, while gaming companies discover content that pushes creative boundaries. Latest technologies of VFX and VR technologies are powering to keep content more real than reality, fostering creativity beyond imagination. Podcasters and audio creators connect with radios and platforms. Artists share their music. Buyers find the right sound for their next big project. Influencers connect with brands for high-impact collaborations. Event planners find the organizers. Waves Bazaar isn't just a marketplace. It is a place where creativity meets opportunity, calling all visionary creators and extraordinary talents. Join Waves Bazaar, a universe of limitless possibilities.